Hi, my name's Curtis Enlow, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to plan, set up, and equip a work area for radio control models. Okay, let's talk turkey about some of the cool, fun stuff that we've been discussing today. RC hobbies can be expensive. They can also be very reasonable if you're willing to follow a couple simple strategies for maximizing your economy. First of all, educate yourself. Learn as much about the hobby as you can. There's tons of places online that give great advice. Visit discussion groups for your hobby. There's a lot of great people there willing to give very useful and helpful advice on how to best enter whatever aspect of RC modeling you'd like to enter. Second, avoid impulse buys. Yeah, that big 500 class electric helicopter might look really cool, but is it really the best way to start out? Absolutely not. Start with something small, relatively inexpensive, that will teach you whether or not it's something you want to spend more money on. Don't get talked into buying more than what you really need or what you can handle when you're first starting out. Be creative in your shopping approaches. For example, you can walk into a hobby store. You can buy a set of metric Allen head drivers like this for X amount of dollars. But you might be able to walk just down the street to your local neighborhood hardware store and get the same thing for a fraction of the price. Know your prices before you buy anything. Also visit craft stores, dollar stores, discount clearance outlets, discount tool outlets. They're a great resource to get a lot of the things that you're going to need at a fraction of the price that you might pay in a hobby store. Also check out online auctions, but be very careful. You might be able to buy the same thing locally for less money without having to pay all that shipping. RC hobbies can be a lot of fun. Start off slow, start off small, be aware of the cost and maximize your economy, and you're going to have a great time. Thanks until next time.